So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve a permutation problem if no repetition is allowed. So the formula is NPR is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. So I'm going to also teach you the calculator shortcut so you can solve this faster. So how many ways can we award first, second, and third place among 10 candidates? So the first step is to list N and R. So 10 candidates, that is N. N is the total number of candidates. So 10 candidates. R is the number of place. So we want to award first, second, and third. So there are 3 places. Then you just need to plug this N and R to the formula. So n factorial, this will be 10 factorial over n minus 3. N minus r factorial, so that will be 10 minus 3 factorial. So the final answer will be 10 factorial over 7 factorial. Just use the calculator. So fraction 10 shift factorial over 7 shift factorial. So to input a factorial in your calculator, just look for this x minus x raised to negative 1. So as you can see, there's a yellow x factorial. So whenever you want to use that, you just need to press shift, then click that. So you can have a factorial. So 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial is 720. So there are 720 ways to award 3 places to 10 candidates. So this is the shortcut. What you have to do is look at the calculator. Input. Wait, what is n? N is 10. 10 p, and what is r? 3. So this is what you need to input in a calculator. 10p3 npr. This is n, this is p, and this is r. So 10p3. So you need to input 10, then look for the yellow text that says npr. So it's right here, npr, right here on the multiplication symbol. So I need to click shift and then that button, so to use the p. Okay, so 10p, then just input r, 10pr. So after, when you click equal, so it will solve the permutation directly, 720. Okay, so to fully understand another example, how many ways can a team of 11 basketball players select a captain and a co-captain? So again, NPR equals n factorial over n minus r factorial. N is the 11 basketball players. R is the position, so we need to select a captain and a co-captain. So there are 2. So before I solve it manually, I'm going to use the shortcut. So NPR, basically that's 11p2. So I'm going to input 11p2 in the calculator. So 11, then shift, multiply, so that I can use the p. 11p2. The answer is 110. So that's the shortcut. We can use this formula if we need a solution. So n factorial, that's 11 factorial, over n minus r factorial, so that's 11 minus 2. So this will be 11 factorial over 9 factorial. If you input this fraction to the calculator, you will still get the same answer. So that's how we solve permutation problem without repetition. So another last example. So how many ways can a class of 30 select a president, vice president, secretary, and a treasurer? So we just proceed to the shortcut, so it will be faster. So list n and r. So n is 30. There are 30 students in the class, and they need to elect president, vice president, secretary, and a treasurer. So 4 positions. So this is 30p4. So just input this to the calculator. 30 shift P and then 4. 30 P4. So the answer is 657,720. So that's it. You can solve permutation problem within 1 minute if you know the shortcut using a calculator. So that's how you solve permutation problems.